It's the San Jacinto Trail report from just below San Jacinto Peak, Thursday the 8th of February 2024, about 9 o'clock in the morning. Just come down from San Jacinto Peak. So as you can see behind me, pretty good snowfall. So we had a fresh 8 inches overnight, still sort of falling very lightly. That brought the storm total since the 4th of February to about 26 to 28 inches, and our current total depth here at San Jacinto Peak area is between about 4.5 and 5 feet, between about 55 and 60 inches. As you can probably see from the trees behind me, heavily laden with freezing rain. We sort of got missed by about the first day of the storm, when places to the west of us were getting hit pretty hard. That was on the 4th and 5th. And obviously when it did come through, initially it rained all the way up to San Jacinto Peak. So we ended up at the bottom end of the range of the predicted snow, which was sort of 2 to 5 feet. I retreated from the peak because it's a cold day. Air temperature was about 6 Fahrenheit. That's about minus 15 centigrade. That's probably one of my 10, certainly in the 10 coldest days I've recorded up here. But the wind chill was minus 18 Fahrenheit. That's about minus 28 centigrade. So a bit on the fresh side. Idlewild overnight added about 3 inches or so. Badly timed plane going overhead. And so that's a storm total of about 5.25. It had stopped snowing down there at dawn, but apparently it started up again. Here it's really thinning out, sort of barely accumulating at 1/4 of an inch an hour. Feels like the sun's on the verge of coming out. So snow everywhere above, possibly as low as 4,000, 4,500 feet. Snowshoe conditions are excellent, absolutely excellent, probably everywhere above, maybe even as low as 5,000, certainly 5,500, 6,000. Lot of sugar snow, a lot of nice firm powder. And as I came up, I found above about 10,000 feet quite a lot of ice underneath the snow. Wasn't great all the time for snowshoes, and crampons at some point, once some of this surface snow starts melting off, will be useful, certainly at the highest elevations. No particular avalanche risk in the sort of established trail areas, but I would say there certainly is on the north face. The Snow Creek drainage, it's been the lower layers left over from January were pretty unstable. Now we've got a couple of really heavy snow loads stacked on top, probably only for the next 24-48 hours until those can consolidate. And talking of consolidation, it starts to warm up pretty rapidly this weekend. Next week temperatures are generally above average for February, so I expect melting to get underway pretty swiftly. And that's about it for now. Beautiful day up here, and safe snowshoeing, safe hiking everyone.